Today we'll do a practice from Tara Brach called The Power of Yes. Without further ado, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your breath, into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be soft and easy, natural. There's no need to focus on your breath too intently. Simply feel yourself breathe in and out. Easy, no struggle. Allowing all the experiences of the present moment to pass through you as energy. All the physical sensations, emotions, thoughts. Softening from the inside out. Now bring to mind a current situation that elicits a reaction of anger, fear, or grief. It may be a rift with your partner, the loss of a loved one, a power struggle with your child, a chronic illness, a hurtful behavior that you now regret. The more fully you get in touch with the charged essence of the story, the more readily you can access the feelings in your heart and throughout your body. What is it about this situation that provokes the strongest feelings? You might see a particular scene in your mind, hear words that were spoken, recognize a belief you hold about how the situation reflects on you or what it means for your future. As you do this, scan your body and be especially aware of the feelings in your stomach, chest, and throat. In order to see firsthand what happens when you resist the experience, begin by experimenting with saying no. So as you connect with the pain you feel in the situation you have chosen, mentally direct a stream of no at the feelings. No to the unpleasantness of fear, anger, shame, or grief. Let the word carry the energy of no, rejecting, pushing away what you're experiencing. And as you say no to all of this, notice what this resistance feels like in your body. Do you feel some tightness, pressure? What happens to all the painful feelings when you say no? What happens to your heart? Imagine what your life would be like if for the next hours, weeks, and months, you continued to move through the world with the thoughts and feelings of no. Now take a few soft breaths and let go by relaxing through the body. Maybe even open your eyes or shift your posture a bit. And take a few moments to call to mind again the painful situation you'd previously chosen, remembering the images, words, beliefs, and feelings connected with it. This time, Direct a stream of the word yes at your experience. Agree to the experience with yes. Let the feelings float, held in the environment of yes. And even if there are waves of no, fear or anger that arise with a painful situation, or even from doing this exercise, that's okay. Let these natural reactions be received in the larger field of yes. Yes to the pain. Yes to the parts of us that wants the pain to go away. Yes to whatever thoughts or feelings arise. Notice your experience as you say yes. Is there softening, opening, movement in your body? Is there more space and openness in your mind? What happens to all this unpleasantness as you say yes? Does it get more intense? Or does it become more diffuse? What happens to your heart as you say yes? What would your experience be in the hours, weeks, and months to come if you bring the spirit of yes to the inevitable challenges and sorrows of life? Continue to sit now, releasing thoughts and resting in an alert, relaxed awareness. And let your intention be to say a gentle yes to whatever sensations, emotions, sounds, or images may arise in your awareness. Nothing is wrong. Yes to everything. As you stay here in this field of yes, I want to read a poem for you from Dana Foltz. In the shared quiet, an invitation arises like a white dove lifting from a limb and taking flight. Come and live in truth. Take your place in the flow of grace. Draw aside the veil you thought would always separate your heart from love. All you ever longed for is before you in this moment. If you dare draw in a breath and whisper, yes. Now gently let go of the practice and notice how you're feeling, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to let your intention be to say a gentle yes to whatever is happening at any given moment. And see if it helps you create a bit more space around whatever is happening. Maybe it will help you be less worried or angry. Feel more spacious, less attached. Whatever it is for you, enjoy this exploration.